Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tuesday, 27 February 2018, and I will have your talk, okay? How long do you want to take the week?
An inch long. Oh, I was going to say an inch long and thinning a bit with thinning scissors.
You want this way? You want correct?
I cut it in the
You
middle.
want half that way?
I cut it in the middle.
Middle?
Do you like yellow llama?
I'm okay. I won't hate you. But
Girth Owen? No. But Randy Owen.
no.
Randy Owen is lead singer of Alabama.
In the front, you see, in the front. You want I take away?
Take a little, half an inch off. Shorten it half an inch.
About that?
Not half an inch.
About that? Right?
I went to Dale.
Manitoba's information station. Country 915. Good afternoon. It's -4 degrees at 3 o'clock. Camp Alice with your information update. Brandon police say a 56-year-old woman has serious injuries after a vehicle pedestrian collision early this morning by the Keystone Center. Sergeant Dave Andrews says no charges have been laid yet.
So the investigation is ongoing. Certainly, depending on how the investigation turns out, charges may be pending to the driver of the vehicle.
Andrews said the woman was initially transported to Brandon Hospital but has since been airlifted to Winnipeg. Brandon police are investigating 2 reports of stolen vehicles over the weekend. On Sunday afternoon, they say a gray 2014 Chevy Cruze was stolen from Applewood Bay. Winnipeg police later found the truck abandoned in Winnipeg. Also, sometime overnight on Sunday, a white 2016 Toyota RAV4 was taken from the 1500 block of 26th Street. 2 men who escaped from Stony Mountain Institution have been arrested. Boarded at Stony Mountain, Guy Langlois said the pair were apprehended this morning.
The 2 escapees were located within the city of Winnipeg, arrested by the Winnipeg Police Service, and they are currently being processed and returned to Stony Mountain Secure Institution.
Langlois says an investigation is still underway to determine how the men escaped in the first place. Brandon residents have until March 23rd to share their experiences as the province works towards creating a new poverty reduction strategy. A new online survey is available through the province's website. More than 230 people have spoken out since the consultations began back in November. The Liberals are taking aim at the 2019 federal election with the coming release of a budget focused on gender equality. Finance Minister Bill Morneau is about to present the document to the House of Commons. He's already hinted at efforts to boost the number of women in the
Oh, I'm
workplace.
talking about 2 women in the
4
same
members of the
sentence.
West End Multicultural Festival have announced dates for next year's event. Chair Richard Bruce said the festival will return during the first weekend in February.
January
You
31st.
can't move. There is a second. I can't move.
Will be considered to be
credited with inventing a popular Canadian snack food has died. Paul Karachi owned a Winnipeg restaurant in the 1960s when he created the Pizza Pop. The snack was eventually bought by Pillsbury and then General Mills. Karachi's nephew Chris says his uncle was proud of his invention.
He loved the fact that was his legacy, the Pizza Pops. He always wanted to get it back.
Do you live in the back, right?
They could produce it again under a different name.
In the building, in the back building.
In sports, the Brandon Wheat Kings close out a 4-game road trip with a stop in Prince Albert to play the Raiders. The Wheaties are 2-1 on the trip so far, and they're coming off the 6-3 win against the Calgary Hitmen. Puck drop is at 7 o'clock with the Q Country pregame show getting underway at 6:30. And two Brandon Bobcats men's volleyball players have been honored by their conference. Q Country's Matthew Hicks has more.
The Canada West recognized second-year outside hitter Elliot Biles as a first-team All-Star. They also recognized hometown product Seth Friesen as a second-team All-Star. On the women's volleyball team, Nicola Majewski was added to the second-team All-Stars. Michelle Egger was part of the All-Rookie team. For Q Country Sports, I'm Matthew Hicks.
And that's your information update on West Bend's Voice, Q Country 91.5.
With your help, Q Country keeps you informed. Call the Burning Ford News Tip Line, 204-725-0515. Your smile should be your best feature. If it's not, Brandon Smiles Dentistry can help. They now offer dental implants and full-mouth rehabilitation. So book your complete smile makeover with Brandon Smiles Dentistry, formerly Victoria Dental, corner of 8th and Victoria.
Your Q Country 91.5 forecast, partly cloudy tonight. Wind will be light over to low -13. It will start to clear in the morning, giving way to that glorious sunshine once again. Midwest 20 and a high of -1. Right now in Q Country, I love these single digits. I do have to get rid of that minus. It is -2 in Burton, Surrey, Carberry, Portage, Highland Mound, Clear Lake, and Pursuit. Melita and Winnipeg are -4, -3 in Boys Bay and Mendoza. Shoalik is -6. It's -1 in Dauphin, -5 in Russell. Minot is +1. Right now in Brandon, we are sunny with southwest 24, 74% humidity, and we're -4 degrees.
The fun, the thrill, and excitement all day, every day at the Bear Club Casino and Hotel. You'll be wheeling out a winner every Wednesday in February is a chance to win an electric scooter or dirt bike. Plus, on March 2nd, we'll be giving away the grand prize of the 2017 Argo 6-wheeler ATV. The Bear Club Casino and Hotel, the friendly place to stay and play. Use your game sense. BearClubCasino.ca.
Smile. There's a new denture clinic in Brandon. Legacy Denture Clinic, formerly Ryan's Denture Clinic, is now open. Expect the same great service for existing and new clients. All dental plans accepted. For your free consultation, see Legacy Denture Clinic, 64218.
Well, after you've done oh, I like this song. Who sings that song? Oh, that's very, very good. I was going to go to the Brian Country thing after my school. After I moved out to America, I was going to go to Brian Country. I visited a coffee or something.
You have friend there?
Brian Country, it's on the corner of the...
Your friend there?
Yeah,
Who is your friend?
I never had a talking to anybody.
I study at there. It's fun. Math and English I study there. On Wednesday. On Wednesday and
What's this here?
I'm not done yet. I'm not come yet. You move and then I try to do it. You can go there Wednesday morning and Thursday morning. I've been there. I started there from 10 to 11:30.
As soon as you finish, I was going to
You can go for coffee there.
go in the this is a coffee. Talking maybe stimulates the brain. That's how the brain works. Talking. It depends if you make sense. If you make sense